Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can hide the best-selling section on your Shopify website. So this tutorial won't necessarily only apply to hiding best-selling. You can use this to hide any other elements you want in your Shopify theme. So for example here, you want best-selling to be hidden. I'm going to click on this, and then it's called a featured collection. The element is called a featured collection. Go back and then find that featured collection on the left-hand side here. So this is the one, featured collection. Just click on it to make sure it's the right one. Okay, now go back. And if you want to hide it, just press this little eye thing. Click on it and you'll hide it. Now it's gone. But, well, it's just hidden. If you want to delete it, just press on this trash button here. But if you only hide it, you can make it reappear anytime you want. And the same tutorial goes for any other elements on your left hand side bar here. Just click on the little eye and then it'll hide it, just like this.